Arbor Medical Korporācija is a retailer of medical equipment and products as well as a service provider for such equipment. The company celebrated its 20th anniversary in May 2021, which means that its story began in 2001. The sole owner and founder of the company is Dace Ratfeldere. Her aim was to establish a company that could help to improve healthcare in Latvia through sales of highly valuable medical equipment.
Manas saknes sākās no 93. gada.
My story begins in 1993 when I was a doctor who worked in the areas of resuscitation, intensive therapy, and anesthesiology. I worked 17 20-hour shifts each month. That was a time when equipment was brought to hospitals and dropped on the floor because no one knew what to do with it. It was something very peculiar, and everyone was afraid to touch it. I'm a graduate of Tartu University, and I apparently discovered that I could be a manager. The lucky thing was that I was working at a large hospital and I could therefore look around for assistants. At 7 p.m. one evening, I brought them all together and said, "Okay, we have got this equipment here and now we are going to use it." We looked at the instructions, someone spoke German, someone knew about technology, and so we managed to turn on the first artificial lung ventilation system. I understood that this was great. At first, the company focused on various types of diagnostic equipment, single-use medical products, and laboratory products. At first, the Arbor Medical Korporācija rented office space in Hospitaļu Street, and it had about 15 employees. In 2002, as employee numbers were increasing and the needs of the company were expanding, it was decided to purchase a building at Meistaru Street 7 in Valdlauci, where the company could set up office space as well as warehousing facilities.
Ja tu esi kaut ko izlēmis, kādas labas domas, tad tās labās domas piepildās.
If you have good thoughts, then the good thoughts will come true. I got a mortgage loan that was meant specifically for women, and I made use of it. I bought this building, and then we moved forward at lightning speed.
Kājām uz priekšu kā raķetes.
There was a turning point for Arbor Medical Korporācija and its team in 2004 when it became the exclusive distributor of Philips healthcare equipment in Latvia. This made the company a strategic partner for Philips. As the range of goods and services expanded, Arbor also started to offer various innovative solutions and modernizations in the medical sector. The company expanded its service department, which offers full maintenance of medical equipment, as well as user training and ongoing education. The company expanded its building in 2012, and the new structure also made it possible to organize various types of seminars and training sessions. Thanks to professional work and a broad range of goods and services, Arbor Medical Korporācija and its 77 employees gave a stable place in the sale of medical equipment and services that are provided to nearly every medical institution in the Baltic states.
Arbor Medical Korporācija ir Veselības centra apvienības ilgadējs sadarbības partneris dažādās.
Arbor Medical Korporācija has been a partner of Veselības centru apvienība for many years and in various areas. Diagnostic radiology, of course, is one of these areas, and during the past 20 years, Arbor has helped to provide equipment that is very recognizable. Many colleagues in radiology, gynecology, obstetrics, and cardiology use the equipment. Doctors prefer it because it is always trustworthy and ergonomic. There are new technologies, and the main thing is that the equipment provides high-quality diagnostic images that can be used for diagnostics. We have replaced our old mammography equipment with a new, modern, and technologically highly developed machine, which has raised the quality of our diagnostics to a whole new level.
Tas mūsu, diagnostisko kvalitāti paceļ tādā jaunā, augstākā līmenī.
Arbor Medical Korporācija operates in accordance with ISO standards, and it has its own code of ethics. Highly qualified engineers undergo certification training at the companies which manufacture the equipment. They also update and supplement their knowledge about improvements and innovations in terms of the equipment, always allowing clients to purchase products from globally recognized manufacturers. High-quality relationships that are based on trust are one of the fundamental values for Arbor Medical Korporācija. That is why the company supports ongoing education for doctors in Latvia and abroad, so that they are always prepared to work with the highest level of medical technologies.
Tā ir kompānija, kas nāk ar stabilitāti.
This is a company which is very stable in terms of educating doctors. It trains doctors so that they can understand what they can achieve with the new equipment. The main thing is not to find the on-off switch. The main thing is to get the fantastic images, because this is a process in which there are lots of nuances. This is exactly the same as the human body. The company helps doctors to learn about the new technologies, and I believe that that is one of the most important ways of ensuring better and better diagnostics.
Rādītājiem, lai veidot arvien labākus un labākus diagnozes.
Precision, service, professionalism, and partnerships with the world's leading manufacturers of medical equipment have opened up broad opportunities in Latvia's world of medicine, because Arbor Medical Korporācija has done purposeful work to introduce state-of-the-art diagnostics and radiology equipment in Latvia. It is a professional dream to work with high technology. When I tell someone that we are working with digital positron emission tomography, or PET, they say, "Wow, you have digital PET in little Latvia? That sounds impossible. Show us the images." People are always surprised when we do so and talk about the low level of radiation that is needed. We talk about how quick the examination is and how good the image is. People in the United States show our images at professional conferences as an example of what good images are possible with such a low dose of radiation. In 2021, the company introduced a new enterprise resource planning system. Arbor is proud of the fact that it helps highly qualified warehouse employees to organize the traceability of products so that orders can be put together more quickly and precisely, and so that the accompanying documentation can be prepared and the clients can get the goods as quickly as possible. Arbor Medical Korporācija has several subsidiaries and departments. In 2008, it opened a subsidiary in Kaunas, Lithuania. One in Tallinn, Estonia, followed in 2011. In 2015, Arbor was licensed as a medications wholesaler, which allowed it to develop its work in the area of pharmaceutics and to offer an even broader range of services to its clients. In 2016, Arbor opened the Arbor Beauty Salon and Store, offering clients a chance to purchase innovative dermal cosmetics and other professional skincare products. Arbor Beauty has proven itself as a competitive market participant because it also offers various beauty treatments with the highest level of beauty treatment equipment. The salon store organizes classes for cosmetologists. The team takes part each year in the leading exhibitions of the sector. Late in 2020, the salon store opened up an e-store so that clients can purchase the products online. In 2018, Arbor opened the Gaļasers medical product store, where clients can access various medical, diagnostics, physiotherapy, and hygiene products from Arbor's extensive product catalog and from the company's partners. Since early 2021, Gaļasers 2 has been online to offer its wares there. In 2020, Arbor Medical Korporācija added the subsidiary SIA Vakcīna. Its 13 employees are taking part in Arbor's 20th anniversary celebrations. They deliver various vaccines to medical institutions such as family doctor offices, healthcare centers, hospitals, pharmacies, and so on. SIA Vakcīna has special transport vehicles with cold chain management technologies to ensure the delivery of vaccines to clients on the basis of the highest quality standards. In response to global challenges, Arbor Medical Korporācija began to manufacture high-class filtration respirators. These underwent laboratory tests, were declared to conform to required standards, and received the CE marking. The capacity of the plant is currently at 4 million respirators per month. The process is carefully monitored by the head of manufacturing and the technical support employees. The respirators are mostly sold in Europe. Exports began a few months after the department was launched.
Īstenībā gandarījumu sagādā katru dienu, ka mēs no rīta varam piecelties.
To tell you the truth, I welcome every new day. When we get up in the morning, we have new projects and new opportunities. We plant one branch in Estonia, one little branch in Lithuania, one in cosmetology, and one more in our stores. We always understand that we can do lots and lots of things with our 77 employees. It is always interesting, and new people are constantly joining our staff. The best specialists in Latvia come to work for us.
Daudz jaunu cilvēku. Vislabākie, kas ir Latvijā, tie nāk pie mums.